See, what you're gonna do is you're gonna push the inside and pull down. It should come out. And there's the cam filter. You see how dirty it is. When you look closely, there's also mouse poop in here. And here's the new one. Make sure you put the arrow facing upward. And that's it.